When I speak with clients, with partners, or with peers in the people analytics industry, I'm often asked why I'm working with organizational network analysis. And I always reply that one of the main factors why I'm so passionate about ONA is because I believe that networks provide the most powerful framework to understand and manage increasingly decentralized and automated environments. Over the last years, as a result of the adoption of agile methodologies first, then with the pandemic acting as a catalyst and accelerating the adoption of remote work and hybrid work models, and now also with the creation of decentralized autonomous organizations that are internet native companies in the blockchain, we are starting to see that the future of work will have to do a lot with automation and decentralization. The main challenge that DAOs have nowadays is that they are not scalable enough because they don't have a performance assessment system that can be used in an intuitive manner in an environment where there is no hierarchy. Traditionally, the performance assessment process required of an immediate supervisor that assesses the performance of a direct report. In this context, organizational network analysis, because it depends on social capital metrics, it doesn't really require the presence of hierarchical roles for it to be implemented at scale, because all team members have the opportunity to assess all team members based on surveys that highlight interactions like sharing information, technical support, personal support, or inspiration, or also by monitoring the digital footprint in collaborative tools like email or calendar at aggregate level, so being respectful with employees' right to privacy, and also not analyzing the content of the communications, but only looking at the metadata. This, I think, will be critical for future work where decentralized organizations will eventually replace centralized organizations. And this is going to be about collaborative freedom, the notion of being able to work with whom you want, on what you want, and to some extent it's going to replicate some of the dynamics that we see nowadays in early stage startups, and which I believe are the secret behind the high level of productivity of early stage startups, but they are going to replicate this at scale. And this is going to be a future of work that all of us should be very excited about.